Hi, I'm Lee Southgate. I'm one of the sales executives here at Vantastec, and today we're going to show you all about this new Ford Connect long wheelbase trend refrigerated vehicle. Let's start with the van itself. Ford Transit Connect L2 100 PS trend refrigerated van. Packs performance, drivability in a more compact vehicle than the larger Ford Custom vehicle. The particular van comes with a 1.5 litre engine, Euro 6.2, meaning that it's fully exempt from the clean air zone and Ultra low emission zones for London as well. It also features twin side loading doors, ideal for multi-drop and city-based deliveries. In cab, the vehicle comes with all sorts of useful added extras that come with Ford's trend spec, some of which include Bluetooth, DAB radio, electric windows, heated windscreen and much more. Let's go through the conversion itself for this vehicle. We've used the GAH L200C refrigerated unit, which provides chill temperatures all the way down to 0 degrees Celsius. In the load area, we have a 2.3 cubic meter of storage space after conversion, allowing plenty of room for your cargo. And all of Vantastec refrigerated vans and chill conversions feature our 50mm insulated lining in the load area. The lining features seam-free panels, unmatched durability, and eliminates the risk of any leaks. Thank you very much for watching. That concludes our full review of the Ford Connect refrigerated vehicle. If you've got any questions, please give us a call on 01443 811 630 or visit our website at www.vantastec.co.uk. Thank you.